How to fix the file format is unsupported or files are corrupted in gallery. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and today I'll show you how to fix the issue where your gallery shows file format is unsupported or files are corrupted. So let's get started. First you need to check file format compatibility. So common formats like JPEG, PNG and MP4 usually works. If the file is unsupported, you can use a file converter app to change it to a compatible format. Now, you need to simply update your gallery or media player app. For that, let's open Play Store and using the search icon and the bar you need to search for your gallery application. If there is any updates available, you need to update it to the latest version. Update often include fixes for file compatibility issues. So you can use file repair applications like Stellar Photo Repair or similar tools to restore the file. Now you can even clear the cache of gallery application for Android if this other step didn't work for you. So tap and hold the particular Photos or Google Photos application. Tap and hold and select I button. Now you will access App Info section. Select Storage Users and tap Clear Cache. Once you have done that, restart your device. Hold the power button on your device and simply slide towards restart. Sometime restarting your device can fix minor glitches on your phone. So if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Leave any questions in the comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.